In the UAE, miscalculating employee overtime leads to immediate rejections from the Wages Protection System and regulatory flags from the Ministry of Human Resources. This chart outlines the mandated UAE overtime formula. Pay is calculated on the basic salary, adding a 25% or 50% premium. Manual spreadsheets fail when total allowances are improperly bundled into this calculation, causing final amounts to miss legal requirements. We will configure and calculate overtime pay inside Hinawi ERP to produce a ready-to-upload WPS file. To begin, log into Hinawi ERP using an administrator account. Admin permissions are required to access the foundational settings for this workflow. Setting up these rules at the system level ensures 100% compliance at the source, preventing ministry penalties before a single hour of overtime is recorded. Preventing common payroll errors begins by properly structuring the system's foundational architecture. Navigate to the File menu, select Setup Modules, and open the HRMS settings. In the Basic Salary and Allowance Setup screen, you must separate the basic salary from other compensation items, such as housing or transport allowances. Verify that the Salary Calculation drop-down menu is locked to Fixed 30 days. This setting tells the system to divide the monthly basic salary by exactly 30. This establishes the daily rate used for overtime math, regardless of the calendar month. Check the effective date before saving. Adjusting this date during an active payroll cycle will impact your historical data. Locking these rules isolates the basic wage, ensuring that every hour of overtime recorded later is legally and mathematically sound. Now we move to the timesheet module. The system distinguishes between timesheet employees and standard HR employees. For timesheet employees, the system imports SQL data directly from your time attendance machine. This identifies any time worked beyond the standard 8-hour shift. The extra hours then split automatically into either the 25% standard premium or the 50% holiday premium pipelines. For HR employees, managers manually enter a pre-approved financial amount for overtime directly into the system instead of raw hours. Capturing this data correctly at the source provides the payroll engine with clean information to execute the final calculations. Navigate to Create Salary Sheet within the Timesheet Payroll menu to start the automation. The system now multiplies the hourly basic wage by the 1.25 or 1.50 multipliers we've established. Review the generated payslip. The basic salary, allowances, and overtime pay are now displayed as dedicated separate line items. You must click Approve Salary Sheet to finalize the month. Unapproved sheets will not progress to the payment stage. Next, open the Wages Protection System menu to generate the Salary Information File, or SIF. Processing the data inside a single ERP prevents the manual formatting errors that typically lead to bank rejections. This seamless digital workflow turns employee hours into a MoRe-approved bank file without the need for manual calculations. In just a few clicks, you have applied labor laws, calculated accurate pay, and built a compliant WPS file. Establishing a single source of truth protects the entire organization from legal exposure, MoRe compliance penalties, and hidden financial leaks. Automate your HR, accounting, and VAT operations by contacting us for a demo or via WhatsApp. Relying on compliant, automated systems provides the operational stability required for the UAE market.